Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making this super easy and quick apple Danish. This recipe comes together in minutes and requires very simple ingredients. Let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is peel and chop 3 large apples into small cubes. Tart apples work best for this recipe, and you want to also make sure that your apples are not soft and mushy, but rather nice and crisp. The full written recipe will be available in the description box below, so click the link to check that out. Once all your apples are chopped, we're going to set that aside, and in a small pot, I'm going to melt some butter, and into that we're going to add in some brown sugar. You can also use just plain granulated sugar as well. Give this a mix, and now we're going to add in the chopped apples. Finally, I'm going to add in some cinnamon and give this a mix. Now we're going to cook this on medium heat until the apples are fully cooked and the filling is slightly thick. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once that's done, take this off the heat and set it aside to cool down. For the puff pastry dough, I'm going to be using store-bought puff pastry, 3 sheets, and I'm going to divide each sheet into 4 squares. Remember to thaw them completely before using. And then each square, I'm going to roll it out slightly to make it a little bit larger, and then we're going to go ahead and fold each corner like this. Place the prepared pastry onto a parchment-lined baking tray, and then we're going to repeat this process for the remaining pastry as well. This recipe makes a total of about 12 apple Danish. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the apple filling in the middle of each of them like so. Now beat 1 egg with a tablespoon of water, and we're going to use this to egg wash the pastries. Apply the egg wash on the sides of the pastry. This helps to achieve that beautiful golden color once they're baked. Bake this in an oven preheated at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once they're fully baked, you want to let that cool down completely. In the meantime, combine powdered sugar and milk to form this super simple icing. Drizzle that onto the cooled apple Danish, and that's it. All of my recipes, as well as this one, is available on my website, thefoodflamingo.com. And here they are, the final product. This recipe is perfect for breakfast or brunch or just as a snack. Delicious cinnamon apple that's surrounded by a buttery and flaky crust. This pastry is way easier to make than it looks. Let's give it a try. Do you hear that crunch? It is so crunchy and delicious. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it, and comment down below if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thanks for watching.